just gave me the bonus. The train came out of me, gave me the bonus, but that's okay. 8 free games. Let's see what they do. I need a coin in the middle. When the train comes out of you, you're going to make lots of money. I need a coin. I need a train or a coin. Give me the train, baby. Coin. Come on, give me something. The train came out, you can give me something. Still on? Still? Okay. Come on, baby. Coin. Coins. Dollars. Dollar. Coin. Dollar. Oh, my God. Last spin. Come on, baby. Look at that. Oh. Well, $75. Can't complain about that. Oh, it blocked me. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Go to 2 cents. Don't block me this time. Don't block me. Thinking money, 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 money. Yes, thank you. Well, that's a good hit. $37.20. Boom, bonus. Bumba stop. Need the train to come out at you to make any money. But then it'll line up the wilds, line up a coin. Money, coins, shit, garbage. $12. Oh. These are the worst bonuses. Why am I playing this game? I just want to see the holders feature. where they had the train. Line me up. Don't block me. No coins. Spoons, please. Thank you. Nice. Come on, baby. Give me, oh, one short. Can you throw me down that money, buddy? Come on. I'm not leaving till you give me. Oh my God, I was just one short. One short. Look at all that money. Come on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 79. Line them up, baby. Money, 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 money. Thank you. Sorry. All right, $62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, one more. Salon, salon, salon. Jess. They're $22. Come on, baby. I know you want to give me those coins. Where's my train? I just need 6 coins. Just 6 coins. Throw me it down. Look at you with them full coins up there. You want to throw me some down. Last spin. Alright, I might need to go back down to 2 cents. Giving me something? Oh, you need more money. Bonus, finally, man. Been a minute. Can I have a train during the bonus? I know you guys know how to put the trains out here. actually just put 100 in. Alright, last. I gotta try to save something. $36 a big win. Let me go to 5 cent now.
Here we go.
Now line up the big win. Oh, of course, you blocked me. Look at that crap. Oh my God. 250s, and it blocks me from making any money. Oh my God, whatever. You guys are awful. That's awful. $6.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now can you not block me? Well, of course you gotta block me. One more. Can you throw it down? I don't understand. I don't understand why this game is not paying. Let's go play the Gong Show over there instead.
Here we go.
Game is boring. I just want to see the train once, though. Train bonus. I'm here. I want to see the darn thing. I don't get to play this in Michigan. Guess there's a reason. it down. I only need one. Come on, bonus, bonus.